Very well. We are at the automation lab, and in this first session we are going to focus on three of the four principal components of any automated manufacture cell. We are first going to focus in the different machines that can process the material. For instance, what you can see at the right is a lathe, what we call torno. Now at my left you can see a milling machine, and now if we look at the black cell with the robot inside it, you can see a welding robot. And finally, if we focus on this robot, we can observe that it's designed for assembly. It has different sections for the assembly to be done. It has special features like a camera to control quality, and also a compressor that is used to handle the glue, and a feather for small steel pellets that can be used for the production of certain toys. Now, after the production machines, there are the handling devices. In this laboratory we can find three of them. The first one is this CNC storage machine. As you can see, this storage machine has multiple levels. Each level has a pallet which location is stored in the management computer. And as you can see, the robot here is capable of handling one of the pallet at a time and transporting it to the conveyor belt. Now in this conveyor belt we have the next part of the handling system. This whole belt is connecting the machines of the lab and the storage, the 5 workstations that there are. And as you can see, it uses both pneumatic and electronic power to move the materials. And finally, we can see the feeding robots. One for the milling machine, right there. One for the lathe, right there. And that will be your whole manufacturing automated cell.
Well, first of all, we have to turn on the central computer in order to connect all the other computers in the station to the central network of this area.
Then we continue with turning on this apparatus. This is the workstation number 1. So you go to the rear of this motor and you turn it on. After you turn it on, you have to deactivate the emergency button, which is right here. You deactivate pulling it up, and then here also pulling it up. Then you have to press this button, which turn on the motors of the workstation number 1. And then you have to make sure that this switch is going in automatic, which is allowing you to control the machine from the computer.
Okay, now we proceed to run homes in each workstation. It's just a command to execute run homes, except on workstation number 4, because the Multiman robot has a absolute encoder, so it's not necessary to run a home. Now, to get a file, you simply search for the file or the part to make. Be sure not to remove the pallets of the storage, because this workstation number 1 doesn't have sensors, so the robot doesn't know where the pallets are. And to turn it off, the same way we ran the homes, we now run a shut D. After the shutdown is ready, be sure the robots are in the upright position, not to shred the circles. And now we can proceed to the same switch to turn off the controllers.